डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम विल डिस्कस अबाउट पिनेकोलॉन रीअरेंजमेंट. What is pinecolon rearrangement? This is a nucleophilic intramolecular. This is a nucleophilic intramolecular carbonium ion rearrangement. In this, conversion of a pinacol to pinecolon. This is given by the R. Fittig in 1860. Pinacol means 1,2-diol. Pinecolon means any aldehyde or ketone. Means 1,2-diol converted to the aldehydes by heating with dilute acids. For example, this 2,3 this 2,3-dimethyl 2,3-butane diol है ना. तो 2,3-dimethyl butane diol when on heating with 30% H2SO4 converted to butanone 2, this butanone 2. In the same way, conversion of 2-methyl propane 1,2-diol 2-methyl propane 1,2-diol on heating converted to isobutyl aldehyde. Next, 1-phenyl propene 1,2-diol on heating converted to benzyl methyl acetone. This. Now, any other diols means in which hydroxy groups not on two adjacent carbon atoms on heating with dilute acids converted to undergo simple dehydrogenation and gives alkadienes, and these 1,2-diols also under drastic conditions converted to alkadienes 75% as shown in this reaction. This. Now come to the mechanism. This reaction completed in the 4 steps. First step, protonation of hydroxy group. Second step, loss of water molecule to form the carbonium ion. Third is 1,2 shift of hydrogen alkyl या any aryl group to the carbon. And lastly, fourth step, to form the more stable another carbonium ion and which loses 1 proton and gives to final product as shown below. Now, in the first step, you see this proton attack on hydroxy group and forms this hydronium ion. Now, this converted to, in the second step, from this water molecule liberated from here, taking from this along with this lone pair of along with this bonding electron pair and converted to result in the formation of this carbonium ion. This is first carbonium ion. This carbonium ion, now from here this methyl group along with this uh, along with its bonding electron shifted to this carbonium and resulting in the formation of secondary carbonium ion. This through this transition state. This one is transition state. Now this secondary carbonium ion forms. This secondary carbonium ion is also tertiary in nature, and primary carbonium ion, which this carbonium ion 1, this is also in tertiary carbonium ion, but out of these two, this is also tertiary, but out of these two, first and second carbonium ion, this second carbonium ion, this second carbonium ion is also tertiary, but it is very stable because of this oxygen having lone pair of electron. This carbonium ion can be shifted into can be rearranged, or can be stabilized by the resonance as shown here. This is oxonium ion. Therefore, second carbonium ion is more stable than the first carbonium ion. Therefore, first tertiary carbonium ion shifted to this second carbonium ion, rearranged to this second carbonium ion. Now this second carbonium ion, after liberating proton from here, liberating proton from here gives ketone as shown in this. Here, this is quinacolone. So reaction completes in 4 steps. How you will see that in the first step, proton joined to OH group, and this OH group liberate, then this molecule liberated one water molecule. After liberation water molecule, we get carbonium ion, which is tertiary in nature. This carbonium ion undergo rearrangement and shifted to give second carbonium ion. Second carbonium ion is more stable due to the resonance, and which on liberation of proton finally gives the ketone, quinacolone. So this is the mechanism for the quinacol-quinacolone rearrangement. Special features of these reactions. The special features of these reactions are number 1, stability of the carbonium ion. Number 2, migratory aptitude of the group. Number 3, intramolecular migration. Number 4, steric effect. And number 5, transmigration. So these are the characteristics of this quinacol-quinacolone rearrangement, which we will study in another class. Thanks.